Hey fam, today I'm making these tender and perfectly juicy ribs. If you've been intimidated by making ribs in the oven, then sit back and watch. I'll show you how to make them. Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making St. Louis style ribs. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 1 rack of St. Louis style ribs, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, and barbecue sauce. In a small bowl, combine your onion powder and garlic powder. Now add your salt and pepper and brown sugar, then mix until well combined. Make sure you have cleaned and dried your ribs. Now season your ribs on both sides with your rub. If you're loving this recipe, then download my Soul Food Cooking app. It's where the Soul Food Cooking family goes to find every recipe I've ever shared, all in one spot. A link is in the description below. Now wrap the ribs in foil, then transfer to your oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees and allow it to cook for 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove your ribs from the oven, then coat with your barbecue sauce. Increase your oven temperature from 350 degrees to 400 degrees. Then return your ribs to the oven and allow them to cook for an additional 10 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with style.